Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to format a USB drive. So a USB drive is already connected to my Mac. So if you do not have a USB drive connected, so make sure you're connected to that USB drive and open the Finder. And within the Finder, you would be able to see the connected USB drive. So from here, you can see there are no files right now. So I will just simply drag and drop for example purpose. So this is the file that is available right now. So in order to format, what you can do is the quick way is to right click the USB drive, and here you will be able to see this erase disk and then select that. Here you will have the name as well as the format that you want to format this USB drive. So there are different formats here. One is APFS, which is Apple File System, macOS Extended, exFAT and MS-DOS FAT. APFS and macOS, these two formats are compatible with Mac, and you won't be able to read these files if you're connected with Windows OS or any other operating system. exFAT and MS-DOS, whereas they support both Mac as well as Windows system. So for better compatibility, what you can do is you can either choose MS-DOS or exFAT. So I would be choosing exFAT in this case. Right now it is formatted with MS-DOS. So you can just go and click on erase, and it will delete all the files and stuff. So just go and erase. So once it is done, it will just erase that format, and it will again add. So this way you can format the USB disk. Other way is using the disk utility. So you can just open the Spotlight search, go to disk utility, and within the disk utility you can go to select this external drive, and you have this 8 GB USB drive, and here you can see the format is exFAT. Here you can click on this erase, and here also you can select what format you want to burn this USB drive. So I can just go and select any other format. So once you are done, just go click on the erase button, and it will does the same thing. So again, the format has changed to MS-DOS right now. So in this way you can format a USB drive on Mac. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.